Hi guys, so in this video it's a little bit longer. Some of the models provide top-tier models and some don't. So let's get started. Number 1. Forge AI. Forge AI is newly released platform that give $50 or $60 for new user sign up. It provide top-tier model like GPT 5.6, Claude Sonnet 5, Kimi K3, Grok, and many more. In order you to get $60, go to my link at comment, then sign up. Now if you want to create an API key, just create a consumer key, alias API key. To find AI model, just go to Models Catalog tab. Here you find a bunch of models. So that's it for the Forge AI. Here the base URL. Number 2. Openrouter. Openrouter is the most trusted website to host AI models, including top-tier models. But sadly, this website doesn't give enough credits to new user to use top-tier models. But the good news, they host free models. So let me show you how to get free models. First, click Explore Models, which I already clicked. Then type free. Then you have all of the free models that tag as free. If you want to know tag, like what? Here, as you can see, there is a free text inside of round bracket at the back of model name. Or you can check by its price. So now to get an API key, make sure you sign up or log into your account. Then click your profile icon. Then click Profile. And you will be redirected right here. And now click the API key tab. Then click New Key, and then set your expiration, or you can just choose no expiration. After that, click Create. Now that's it for Openrouter, and here the base URL. Number 3. Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is a free-to-use platform hosted by the Google company, and the latest models of Google have been given to users for free, like Gemini 3.5 Flash, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and many more. In order to access the API key, log into your Google account by clicking Get Started, or it will already log you in. Now you're at the Playground tab. You can see the models by click the model name at right panel. Some of the models are paid, like NanoBanana 2 Pro, Imagen 4, Imagen 4 Ultra. Now if you want to access the API key, click the key icon above your email address at left panel. Now click Create API Key button. Then choose your imported project. Or you can just create new project. When finished, click Create Key button. That's it for Google AI Studio. And here the base URL. Remember, I put all base URL in description so you don't have to type so long. Number 4. NVIDIA NIM. NVIDIA NIM is a platform released by NVIDIA that provides access to open-weight AI models online. One of its advantages is that it doesn't use a credit-based system. Instead, it has a rate limit of 40 requests per minute, or 40 revolutions per minute. Due to high traffic, you may occasionally experience slower response times. You can see the AI models by clicking More Models button, and you must make Free Endpoint toggle to on and click Apply button. As you can see, the AI models, it have GLM 5.2, Minimax M3, and more. To get models, you must log in or register to your account. But for new user sign up, it usually asks for phone verification. After you authenticate this website, click your profile icon, then click API Key. Right here, click Generate API Key and set expiration, or just leave it and then click Generate Key. That's it for NVIDIA NIM, and here the base URL. Number 5. Agentrouter. Agentrouter is a Chinese AI API platform that offers free access to powerful models like GPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.8, Claude Opus 4.7, and GLM 5.2 all through one API. The best part, it gives you a free $100 credits for new user, sign up through GitHub and Linuxdo only. Let me show you the models that available. Look, it have GPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.8, Claude Opus 4.7, and GLM 5.2. First, you need to sign up with GitHub or Linuxdo. But now I'm showing you secret to get $50 bonus credits. The trick is click link at my comments, the Agentrouter. Once you sign up normally with my link, you get $150 free credits. But mine, I used my credits. Now let me show to get API key. Go to API Token tab at left panel, then create token, and then set the name, expiration date, token group. Once finished, click Submit. That's it for Agentrouter. Here the base URL. That's it for the video, guy. I hope you enjoy. I have more website to show, but I can't just leak all to you. So in one condition, I will publish part 2 if this video get 30 likes.